You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
So by now, if you've been following me, you all know about the Will Prep pizza oven. You're probably sick and tired of seeing it. But guess what? This video is about the Will Prep. Hold on, wait a minute. We're gonna do a little, as we call it in the Navy, we're gonna do a workup, even though we already did the deployment. In other words, I haven't really tested this pizza oven out. It says it gets up to 660 degrees. Now I got questions on that. Number one, will it reach 660 degrees? Number two, how long will it take to get to 660 degrees? And number three, is it going to change my thoughts on this pizza oven that I've invested in? So let's do this. Here be the Will Prep. It's at cold iron right now, meaning it's not turned on. About to turn on here, and I'm going to use my phone as a timer to see how long it takes to get to 660. Internal temperature right now is 61 degrees. We have ignition, and let's set the clock. It's running now. Max setting. Never have I done this before. Should be interesting. Now we're at almost 20 minutes. 20 minutes right there. We're gonna get a temp check. Now this is probably not helping anything by opening the door, but this is for you, the best subscribers on YouTube. 30 minutes. Right there. And another temp check. 4:17. 30 minutes. It's taking its time, isn't it? Yeah, when those lights shut off, that means it's reached the temperature. Those are the upper heating elements inside the oven. They get a little red, but not too much. So we're over 52 minutes and still waiting for those lights to shut off to say it's ready. Yeah, the plug is a little warm, but not hot. Here we go. We're coming up on 1 hour. And like that top heating element is up to temperature. Yep, and the dial is all the way on the hottest setting, of course. And we're still waiting on the bottom one. Okay, we've reached the temperature according to the thermometer of the oven. Let's get a reading and see where we're at. Oh my gosh. A little warmer than expected, but it's better than being cold or not warm enough. Yeah, let's shut her down.
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Here's my final thoughts. Well, it reached over 660 degrees. Took an hour. Pretty impressive. Over 690 degrees. Do I really want it to be that hot? And the reason why I say that is because, am I going to burn this oven up if I run it that hot? It's only supposed to be going up to 660. Maybe I need an internal thermometer, if I could somehow put one in there without getting in the way of any product I put in there. It works. Now we know. So that concludes this one, and I want to say my thoughts and prayers go out to JC, also known as the Poor Conservative, here on YouTube. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.